Hey, welcome to Cook for Health. Today we are making egg rice pancakes. Super easy and a great idea for a lazy morning breakfast. Take a bowl and add 3 eggs in it. Break those eggs and mix them together, beat them together. This is a great idea for a cooked leftover rice. It can be also made with the rice from the restaurants, the leftover rice. So add 1 cup of rice, add chickpea flour, paprika, turmeric, black pepper, salt, mix well. Then goes grated carrots in it and scallions, thinly chopped scallions. Now spoon the batter on the heated griddle, flip it, and here are beautiful looking yummy pancakes ready. They can be eaten with tomato ketchup or any kind of sauce. Thanks for watching. Make these pancakes for your family and make sure you post the pics on the socials linked in the bio with the hashtag cook for health and enjoy. See you in the next video.